according to Vyasdev, dharma, artha, kam, moksha, that is not very essential. Real thing is how to advance in the science of loving God, Krishna, Krishna prema. And the Srimad Bhagavatam says, Savai Pumsan Paro Dharmo Jato Bhakti Radhokhaji Ahituki Apratihata Jena Atma Sampachidati. If you want really peace, then you should stand on the platform of Parodharma. Parodharma, just like Krishna has described, Aparayam itastu vidhime prakitim para. Para and Paro. Para is applicable to the Purusha and Para is applicable to the Prakrit. So, we are Prakriti, we are not Purusha. Purusha is Krishna, as described by Arjuna in the Bhagavad Gita. Parabrahma paramadhama pavitram paramam bhavan Purusham shasatam adyam. And in the Brahma Samhita also, it is Adi Purusham. Krishna is described, Adi Purusham, Ishara Parama Krishna, Satchidananda Vigraha, Anadi Adi Govindam, Tamahang Bhaja. So this Krishna Bhakti, Krishna personally came to teach Krishna Bhakti. He came here in this district, Mathura, and Krishna birthplace is still there. So Krishna personally came to teach the science of Krishna Bhakti. And although he proposed that Dharma samsthapanataya sambhavami juge juge, but at the end he said, sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam vraja. And this is confirmed in the Srimad Bhagavatam that dharma projita koitava, except surrendering to the lotus feet of Krishna, anything which is going on in the name of dharma, that is not dharma. Therefore Krishna says, sarva dharman parityajya.